Bonjour, sabay, sabaidee, Chào. In this video, I will show you the similarities and differences of France and the former Indochina countries. In France, this is what they use to get around the city. Je plaisante. I'm just kidding. The trains and buses are really fast. Everybody has a motorbike in Vietnam. In Laos, they have baguettes. And in Cambodia, it's a free-for-all. These are good French food you should try. You can get an egg crepe for €5. Or you can get a croissant for €1. With architecture, mostly Vietnam and Laos have French influence in major cities such as Saigon and Vientiane. In Laos, they have Patusai. If you go on top of it, you will see a similarity with Paris' Champs-Élysées. Inside Paris, France, Champs-Élysées Avenue, that whole street right there, Champs-Élysées. Faites attention, be careful, there's a lot of cars. Cambodia's French influence is mixed with Khmer culture. If you look ASEAN in Viet, Laos, or Cambodia, they give you a discount or let you in the museum for free. Whereas in France, there are long lines and vendors looking forward to do business with you. In Saigon, the Notre Dame Cathedral was made for the millions of Catholics. In France, you can visit the catacombs where they bury the dead. Whereas in Buddhist countries, they have offerings and cremate the dead. France likes their morning coffee. French priests introduced coffee to Vietnam. The baguettes became part of the Indochina culture. So you put the salad on top and then eat it. Chili sauce on the baguette and then you just eat it. You can get fancy food in France for €22, whereas in Vietnam you can get it for 70,000 VND. Meat hot pot. Beef. Okay. In Vietnam there's 7-Eleven, whereas in France, Carrefour is your best friend. Overall, France and the Indochina countries have many things in common. Many French, Canadian, Western tourists visit these countries and have a great time. That is all. Santé. About to try snake. Cheers. Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel content. Thank you and have a great day.